Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And this is part of our campaign, the Don't Panic, Pivot, that we're helping shop owners make it through these difficult times. There are many things you can keep on doing for your clients and things you can keep doing for your business, even while we might have some down car counts. For starters, number one is, what do you do when you start to see a fall off in your car count? The first thing you typically do is you start advertising, or you start doing more marketing. That's the typical response for most shop owners, is look for ways to bring in more new cars. I do understand that as budgets tighten up, this is one of the more difficult things to not look at as far as cutting out. But new cars coming in is the lifeblood. The data on the internet supports that people are still looking to get their cars serviced just as much as they were before. Matter of fact, one of the other places that we see an increase in internet marketing is actually with social media. Almost 50% of the people out there are saying that they are watching social media more than they had in the past, which means there's a lot of eyeballs in social media, and that's another area for increased exposure for you during this difficult time. The reality is that keeping your marketing running needs to be one of your first priorities, so you can help the community and be there first for them. And please let us know if we can help in any way.